Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, I thought we'd kick off the week with a new update. Uh, the lighthouse is painted. Now, they've probably got some touch up to do, and they're still going to be doing some work down there. But I tell you what, it's an icon of beauty, I always say, and it's back to its original uh, color, it's back to its original style with the white, black, white, black, white, black, and wanted to bring something up. A lot of people have been asking when they'd be able to get up close to it, and I'm happy to say that this coming Saturday, December 14th, they have the Bolivar Point Lighthouse Holiday Open House, and they did this last year. Um, the great part is this year they're actually going to be doing a ribbon cutting ceremony for the new door that they're putting in. And if you haven't seen the show that a friend of mine did out of Galveston um, on the process of making the door and some of the old parts they made, make sure you go to the Lighthouse social media page and watch the video. It's on Galveston Unscripted, and it's really a neat show. He did an awesome job on it. And they've got a lot of great shows on Galveston Unscripted. And so you can find them on YouTube and several areas online. But anyway, this is your chance to be able to get up close to the lighthouse. I'm sure it'll be cleaned up around there with the boom and that. But this was yesterday, probably about 11 o'clock or so. I made a trip down there, braved the weather, and was able to get these views of the lighthouse in its original colors, and wanted to let y'all know about the open house this coming Saturday uh, between 1 and 3. They're going to have the ribbon cutting ceremony for the new door at 1:30. Parking will be on the road coming into it, and then you'll have to walk up to get into the lighthouse. But what a great way to take Christmas pictures or be able to see it up close and get a little Texas history. I know all the staff will be there as far as the board, and I know Amy will be there, and they're just full of a lot of history on the lighthouse and really know the lighthouse. And so, wanted to let y'all know that. The other thing is, while we're looking at the back side of it, Entergy has some outages this week, starting tomorrow. I got this email last week and just now getting it up, but there's some outages, and you can take a screenshot of this on the 10th South Tinkle and South Jack. About 74 customers on Wednesday the 11th. It looks like O'Neill, Gator Point, Chapman Point, Rosenboom, Helen Dowdy, Buddy Kirk, Nelson, that down in the Blue Water Subdivision 351. And then on Thursday, East Road, Blue Water Drive, Crystal Dunes, Selwyn, and North Road. Anyway, I'm sure they sent out emails on this already. If not, they'll be coming, but there's going to be an Entergy outage starting tomorrow between 8 and 4 in these areas where it's part of the process. And we actually have an interview we're recording Wednesday with Entergy on the progress of this expansion. So anyway, but there's the lighthouse in all its glory. The original pictures have been flying out a little bit of everywhere. People taking it, sending it to Amy. I've had a couple sent to me. And so we wanted to get down there. And like I said, there's probably going to be some touch up that needs to be done. Looks like that bottom layer is a little stripy there. Maybe they probably put 2 coats on it. But anyway, just wanted to give you an update. And we're working on the time lapse from when the work started through now when it's completed. And it's going to be neat being able to watch them slurry blast it and then dry blast it and then start the painting process. And Weather hadn't been the best cooperator on this project, but want to thank everyone involved with it and thank the board for getting this done to start the process of the rebuild. Now we can all help getting the top built by fundraising. They have bricks that you can buy with your name or family name or something engraved on them, and you can make donations to the lighthouse. For more information on the Port Bolivar Lighthouse, make sure you visit their website at www.bolivarpointlighthouse.org. You can get all the information, sign up for their newsletters, and more. So we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you at the open house, maybe down here for Christmas, maybe down here for New Year's Eve. But come explore Bolivar Peninsula. You'll love it. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.